na de atorentam bi abeto so ana ohaw bi abeto so enno ene efre no esan what sign is saying esan etimi mobi ebubugu dem esan etimi mobi ekọ ohaw bi mu a ompe esan etimi mobi ko pie prison esan etimi yetwa obi nsa esan etimi yetwa obi nan esan ti obi agapade nyina ahye esan ti obi ahwere ne kunu esan ti obi ahwere ndofo bi esan ti obi aware ya sen esan ti obi akwa brochire ama ya san de naba what sign is saying mesme sign is saying we yedwumade bi a yede braw e Kumawood TV yesi nkonya na afei asema ato pen a ede atorentem bi abraw no ye no watrase na afei ya bobo ho ye di ho nkomo na aboa ye nua bi a esan bi nto no da na ama ono nso aya ahweye se esan bi ato da na ede wako situation bi mu ama enne watimi afiri mu a ye invite you sebra ne ne won trase na yen share experience together fa number na phrase si a na ne wo entwetwe eho enkomo 0244 294066 frɛ na any producers no enkasa within Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos betim so afrɛ me Steve esan etumutu obia.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Esan, Ebiani esan, and the say, O cabin shemu, on your home.
Pentecost Hour, and when I was see now Sabrino, Yerinyam Sem, Ebraunafi, a Fasa Panoswabo, running Uncle Pompire. Yahuno, yes, we are sitting as is here. I mean, we are sitting now, but you Fasa so as I say, but I was what you change up saying. They were running Uncle Pompire says social distance and also consider said, you was here, who's the attitude and tell me. Now, I find this is here. Now, I will force so any other now, she won't say you finish. You the perform with the announcement. There, yes, soon with the random fashion what you could make a share so abre. Now, Yam some titty and then you may a person in Generation Bompire, but to the sovereignty of God. Hey, the sovereignty of God. Onyankopon tumfua wode ne ho awade nyina mu nyankopon taso ye nyankopon be ewiase niema bebre abasisi niema kasia de awreho edi owuo de yare de niema bebre abawiase ba sa niema wentime sisa nyame
Jesus
ensise nyame suda
abarabas
de otia ne sa no otia
yo
bibitime sisa no we nyankopon ya wonu ode no ho Ghana say a sovereign state but edu ba bia say WHO and she say ode be nya untime kase oni so
obedi so
say ne tie bia o man bia dai obi ba nyankopon dia
Jesus
ona obi ada
yo
oni na wiase ya ne dia na me wa ye kom no heyan na so sori tina no kasa yehu nyina dakoro sima ba ko petuo beka me pesem no ken kan sem bi wo Colossians chapter 1 verse 16 or say every say ni muna obon yo menyina de e wo soro deɛ wasase so deɛ wohunu ane deɛ wohunu ihinwo uradio empeninio tumidio hey nieme nyina wonam ne so na boy
Yo.
na obo ema no hey radio empeninio ahini o wiase nyina aniema yede ye ne hunu ane niema ye fe ye ne hunu tumi e wo wiase
Yo.
ahini ahodo e wo wiase empenini ahodo e wo wiase sani o meni nyina nyame de diso he is the sovereign God the wasro the wasase so the wasase ase the de ni hunu ane de afi ani hunu sani o meni nyina is under the jurisdiction of the Almighty God.
Hallelujah.
Na obi tire nyame de wonye no waye ono ene decide me wiase he ade ekoso wiase no nyame na ma kwai
Yo.
ade biye no wonu esi wiase nyame hunu ade nyina namnanim he na me ka sem bi se nyankopon de wiase we mabo bonsam just one day.
He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. Oh, he's got the whole world.
Senyame de wiase we mabo bonsam just 24 hours. I can yehu nya de yehu yo. But the Elkosu Nirano, because Osroni Asasi Ayanedia,
Jesus,
the landlord of this universe is Jehovah God. When I got to say, Obusa Job said, Job, me to Asasi for him now, eh? Not Job now, Jirahe. And the Elkosu said, a rather solid 1 second. It will be cut. But do brebi a ya ne nyame makwa ma BBC so de be ye dipa be huru se we otumfo de wiase nyina won na ye ne dia na ade ba ko ya ne provoke nyankopon ne se edu brebi a de nyankopon ni mo nyam ne ni die be man no na se no mate se se obi egu nsa na atiase fompo na ya dan na ufo France amanfo abasa ne huru nyame bo se nyame makwaya ade bia no ono a ebetimi asi asase we so da because se nyame da wiase sabonsam sa ade antine wiase na ne jadam assembly Daniel chapter 1 okay kan verse 2 okoda ya ne ebusia wa Christopher ade ne yato aso ne dem ade ne nyoma nyina ye close o hwe ebrebi nyame man Nebukadnezar kwan obebo ru Juda. The temple was closed down. And I wouldn't fair good year what this summer sorry them home. And what they call when your baby and phone could say, now bosom them. Neighbors said, why should God allow the devil or the enemy to attack the church? Let you therefore at Tinamia some swatria. To the fire, dear man, Yamibuafu. Did you go so kind? Psalm 103, verse 2 to 3, verse 3 in English, was say, now, oh no, day and from Swinina, Taya. No, was say, Yaruinina. It did dear Bemena Mede and Nipa upon your tunnel. Now, was Sanya, where goes to say, and it's a Nipa, Ebenuno. Say Nipa no, I want a body hoa. Dear, ye didn't idea. I did know, name of the Nippon who on a bunny hoa. So Nippa such nothing a company hoa. God will forgive all our sins and heal our diseases.
Odia Ponia Chayan Waba Batra Yemo Yakuto ya sorry wo ya ko to sorry wo I wati ya ponya chayan wa ba betra yebo ya ko to so ya sorry wo mira ya ko to sorry
niama bebre sisi wiase tom ko o mani pa ha tie nya metime de nioma bebre etenetere ne ma atuni paso do to na bia otime de yare do to na bia otime makom ebre bedu na Israel nyina Baal abosom Jezebel do maba and Elijah authority ejina for 3.5 years na komo basase no so it is as we can say enyame ne allow se nyame ama bibi kwan a ensida na de esie nyina no se o man no sorry tina ko urade ne mu sira urade mo brohuru ne urade adoya na urade de o man bone ta no urade de ankro bone no wonfom so ta urade tere ne se no ano no endubre ye to obiafo wiasia maya hodo nyina ene obi a wotie yen en bibi ensikwa ade bi no no wiasia esikwa and God has not lost control over his word. Now who behind dano e o fie ho no woni fie wura wona nani ko fie no
ene dia
wo we tenant do abodi wiase ene wa wotim no wona nani ko ho
Jesus
edu o pese o tiasa de akosi o wiase no awurade lose control dabio na ndida sukuni wiase ho na enche awurade bediri wiase
no
enche awurade de oje baba
Jesus
enche awurade de found ye baba
Jesus
na Bible say ebrebe do Israel for consume 70 years e Babylon na ebra ne so ye no Daniel ka je awurade say awurade ebra na one so man no wo ya so de na so bra na so this is the time. Not just one day. Already do ojiaba. Abo boy ekosu owiase. Ani apinisia yesi owiase nyina. Ebinum so adwom wasuo. Se obesire urade. De wo se obi jampa bi ato. Obi ade bi eba ye no kura. Se di mo obi kogina ai Italy ai Rome asoda akese no so. No te niome wiase. Obi aka che o se bibie ni wiase o. Oboa enioma owiase ba de pese ka kire ne se de owiase ni nyina chi no o se nyankopɔ tumi ase ansana job bonsam de ne nsaka no o de permission free nyankopɔ ho eti asase we ne de akoso no bonsam age permission sa bonsam kro de permission free nyankopɔ ba se nyame man permission na edu ba bia o de hye to ho eti bonsam ankasa no o je permission free nyame ho ansa no ye bibi ba me pesa me ka to se o man ni ankronkro be di atum na ye mpa ebo nyina aye se huyamoba awurade huyamoba awurade ebetere ne nsa ebere mu huyamobo
tie yesu friend tie ye bible ade huyamobo tie yesu friend Jesus
se awurade huyamoba
Jesus
me se awurade huyamoba sister brother ebia na won so nam problem bi mu ada ha ya pop program na sister bi fra me on fra pa o say papa pacho your problem ni here promise and fail obia se me bo a na bo se no na ye kwa aye se du ho pe but me pesa me ka kire o se urade mabro hunu edo soma wa ade bia kotia na tuota ye ba wa yesu demo sa duma ye ngona ne mo a urade mabro hunu do so no urade man mabro hunu no so wo wiase urade man adoye no so wo wiase na se na doye ne mabro hunu do so a ekunum die ya ne made ya But I do be rampa moment bia. Yampa ndo do nyina ne se. Awurade hu wi asem bo. Wase yamfa namra do mayi gwa nanim. Na yanya mobro hunu. Ni ehunu atum. Na bresem aboa ye.
Oba shano. Oshe nyame kuto. Osreo. Ewatia. Into minyo. Notiem. Sepe ye. Missing notiem. Se ebe ye. Ye notiem. Se ebe ye. Aslo. Asowatia. Into minyo. Notiem.
God's sovereignty calls for submission. Abrabia, ye behunu nipa behunu se wenyankopo yo tumfo na one na wiase nyina ya ne dia na hyɛ nsa na niema nyina hyɛ ne nase no amanipa timi ade ne ho hyɛ nase. The Bible say yɛmfe ho hyɛ onyankopɔn ase ne tumi no yɛmfe ho hyɛ ase ne yɛnsi ɔbonsam kɔ obɛgya ne afiri nkyɛn. Adumrei yabu amane say God is the sovereign God. Fa ho se ne tumi na se. Ade ba ko ya ma yehuru onyankopon. De ode ne ho ne wiase tumi ne asase so enyina ya ne dia ne se ne na se ne say. So who is that? It calls for God's worship. It inspires worship. Where uns ninsan wa duma anwanwa wasoro ni asase odi tintim hoyi. So who is that? It inspires you to worship God. Manyankopo to media wadi wo wiase ani wasoro ni asase ya ne dia no enkenya na sore no enkenya. The sovereignty of God inspires us to walk. Adia ba kunso yehu onyankopon kasiye anene mani ye ne tumi mu a se base ye kai ni adwendwen ni ehunu a eye ne se it comforts his people. It calls for God's comfort. Psalm 40 says Bible say na sase de dane butu na po ne na soro chewuru se denara na po hey ene mipa etutu kogu purumu mu a ye nsuro
se epo ni asroche ma be po etutu
etiya kosinira
sase bewoso
yehu nyankopon kasiye ni nyabetumi etehuasia.
Yeah, asafo
we know God controls these in the hey, I'm a nipa kuma torium. So who's in the control we are here? So who's in the middle sukre we are here? So who's in the middle of Australia's as yet him wa and wakuma torium. You was say as I see any Danibutu. Hey, I'm me po etutu kogu pubrum. Na pone na sro chewru sedenara. Ya dia yakume ntuda. If you say Israel nyankopon. Oni ene ho. Hey dansa baby awabia. We are talking about the sovereignty of God. The sovereignty. One of those team, one of the associate team. One of it didn't want to run.
Asafu Yehovah,
our God in the sovereign God. Your brother in Uncle Pompire. So run order to me. So run order to we are soon at the Timo. When they call, we are sitting at Timo. Already the You are not sure running now. You may come on, give God the glory wherever you are. He's still glory and honor. And you're running here. And you're running here. To me, you're running out of body. Your shadow Cassia and you to me. When I walk us up, Rakupan and Prenoso, you was a to me and I were running here. I run as all Cassa. When I met me at the name, so my Sasua, already want to met me at the one. You better Cassia, no money, and to me, no one. May we are singing on the assassin, and most shadow running up. Give you glory, Lord. Come on, Satan. Wherever you are, give glory to the Lord, the sovereign God. He is our sovereign God. And what did you do for Cassia? When I tell you, running, Obiano, Osroni assassin, your fool, Osroni assassin, Otoman Kuma, when out your strength to one and the assassin to war. Radoma Sasua, Bracope, we are singing us. Apadia kukuru nyinaa wase ayini nyinaa wase and your name nyinaa you already na kapadia yes solo you can't kasia and you many you don't for oh my God back upon dabra gibata bro shikabaka libra dabra sata reba baba sata leba baba sata kalila la tenabasa. We are Cassia, Australia, Sassia, Cassia, no many and to me one day. When it is our running, or bit is so, when I know so, be on one shot. We are in it. A body and I shall say. A body and I say, I hear the and I shall say, when you never once him out. In the name of Jesus. Horrible Satire.
Shadow Ara. Jai komo yiti Frisa Eribunya Rosa Trana Unya Kupa Abacha Oso Amanasi Asi
Akomne ba Samaria Awotira ba menipanya duanini Edu baby mweja nai eno kura oku ho eno wanya bi abuburo na afe na to se nipa ekum nipa we ento ko bi si mami enu bi ntam wo hini tam no ase wo hini de asie ni wo beye sisime wo kan sem ni nyina kire ni yo se ai de asie wo maimu ni anu hene metewa anu wase hene bo amno wase ai dia si dia abeda na me ohene maboa se nyame amoa wa se dia wiase ya ne dia na amoa wa so dia wiase ba yesu amoa wa varo si se nyame amoa ya ebesi na unyandro Yano ara Onye chai Ekomo yiti Frisa Eribunya Nosa We are singing out
Onya Kopa Abasha Oso Amanasi Asi
Wahini muya ahini wo wi ase nyina asanase tumi wo wi ase nyina asanase president awudo nyina asanase anu asese nyame amoawa me wo hene me free hene amoawa metimi aboawa kama aboa mo wo dia brochure fomo a wana be me na fifie wana be tonsi oguso wana be hwere me amena fifie wana be hwere amena bo oyine sese urade amowa Ghana maya ewi asia sister brother se nyame amowa Say asafo Awurade amoa emmoa be ebe free laba. And I know David says me mama ni so tira me pa. Emmoa free baby ama. I just said oh ya osoro. No ya asase. Asafo Awurade ni didi. Ya bo Awurade mpa se Awurade mo wiase. Awurade mo agada. Sister Awurade wa mo. Officer so wa mo wa. Emmoa free baby ama. Oh yes, the beyond a bumper, beyond a bumper, beyond a bumper, so ready for more free stream now. River Kaloma Suta, light up, coming from above the car. Around him, I'm more free stream now. Around him, I'm more free stream now. Mawatoya free stream now. Mama brother free stream now. So what do I want? Around here, so what? One of my boy. Why ni abuafo? Why ni adaswa? Why ni akunim defo? Why ni radio shamafo? Why ni adaswa? Eba kaba shata. Rababa. Yala basunda brayata. You are the person running my blow. 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 Your blood for the running. Oh my God. May the Lord be your helper. Running my blood for the pain. And you may run my own blood for. And you may run my own blood for. And run my areas of blood for. And run my Ghana blood for. And run my own blood for. May the Lord touch the land and heal the land of God. In the name of Jesus. And run my blood of Yobia. Libra Kaba. Rabababasha. Rebababasha. Rebababasha. You Lord, come to the Karashata, Libronda Rabasuka Bayanaraba. Jesus, Jesus, my God, my God, hey, my God, so Radio warriors here. Anywhere, Rati, Abwafwa, anywhere, Rati. Yeah, I say, you know, I don't know, why Abwafwa, anywhere. Now, him we are crossing. Oba se Awurade amoa me free na mabo na wo ugunsa ma ohene friends samanfo ohene na ugunsa ma no krase se Awurade amoa me free na mabo was it 30 ampom e kire onyankopon e tumidie ene ne kase ene na ho ade odi kote wiase Hebrews chapter 13 verse 6 was in a Mayadi Nam Kase Radin Buafo. When you public me, I am the end of the public me. The doctors now you do man over to Baby Mohusa. The Radiano Buafua. We are Sister Radiano Buafua. The Radiano Gana Buafua. Sister brother, the Radiano Buafua. And you public me, I Radino Buafo Hama Subro Tabakataya Ribaba Shabaya Ribaba Shataya Yandaraka Randa Braskabaya Rabasa Ribaba Radino Buafo Babia Sharadibaya Buafo. Oh my God. Ilana Rabasukatai Maruba Babasha Raba Babasha Likabaka Tonda Breaka Raba Babasitela. In the name of Jesus, running over for the pain, and you better running over for, and I do running over for. ade chiema brade na blam shawade ba ya obuafo a ewade amaya de nam kasa ewade ne ya buafo ewade ne ya buafo onde pa beti bi ayeyandia my god ni braka aluna rasha pay rabakalon ibria lebaba shatai ewade ma ya buafo ba dia shawade ya buafo a ne ma tane ke adie hu ne se ewade ba ya obuafo a ehwana Elijah o commande say akonfo no was asene so bara bosu no nyina me enko omunko sia o mante Campbell ni enchire nyame ko a wosi asom a bible so mu nyina kosi ai na frɛ no pa kosi anwumre wo se mu nja fori buchia na obia nye odwan na onkunu onfa no to fori buchia no so nyame a obema oje free sura be sia fori buchia no onni nyame ko a wosi asom efra no pa kosi anwumre bala konfo ni ye bia anya juma omuye ye no ana Elias say Munsa NCS for the butcher bio rebuild the altar ne tete o person tete NCS akoma we are see my NCS akoma
Jesus
sia for the butcher bio wa nyere wo ma for the butcher no so akumada dania dada any subanda dania brabada dano there must be a renewal of mind what's your CC akuma your CC yadini your satra yadini fufu oyeya ana Elias said aba mu behunu se onyankopon yo tumfo ne on the di wiase nyina so ti afa mun konsuo mo de na bibia kan na dry mun konsuo engu afoributia no so bible si omo twinsuku afoributia no so nyina ma hono nyina yeseka ensuo tata ho anu si awrade sede be o meye kahia be unu se woni nyame ko a you are the sovereign God that needs to be worshipped. I was here sorry wo
Jesus we are hine apa we are hine apa Jesus
yes Lord
Jesus we are hine apa we are hine
Antabia ye be be phone lines no numbers ni gu ase egu screen ase etu betimi afre ne ye di nkomo o se bompa ma ya bompa ma ye breki kakra mi na akọ ayi yafa ayi outreach ye be saba on chase a radin come the Lord the radin chama munyina ye from the CS donko mo so Pentecost ukuada anwumre no me nsa kusi no na bia hwɛ me okuma o TV the radio asema nkwa ene amode ene da so ni nkranhyew ebebrɛw na iba ko hie ni so adu tore bia kawuram na edi hye nkran ne sɛ without Christ life is meaningless. Without Christ life is meaningless. With God all things are possible. Na enam sonso ene wa bo radio yankopɔn empire me radio pie kwan this one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night. The Coswash me, never be fire so, or do a gen and quanjabro, ready. The Lord, the Radin Chamunina, the friend of the CS Donko, most on Pentecost, Ukuada and Numre, Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okuma TV, the Radia Saman Qua, and Yam day, and it has swooning crunchum, ever broke. Naiba ko hie ni so adu tore bia kawuram na edi hye nkran ne say without Christ life is meaningless. Without Christ life is meaningless. With God all things are possible. na yenam sonso ene wabɔ awurade nyankopɔn empire ma awurade apie kwan de soa no ha bi da so bia na nwumra nso bɛtoa so all night de kɔ so ahwɛ me na awurade bɛfa so na ɔde ɔgye ne nkwagye abrɛ awurade hyira the lord the awurade nkyɛma mu nyinaa yɛfrɛ me the CS donko mo so me Pentecost ukuada anwumra na ɔmiɛnsa kosi no na bia hwɛ me okuma o TV the awurade asɛma nkwa ne ahoɔden ɛne da so ne nkranhyew ɛbɛbrɛw na yi ba ko sie ne so adu tɔre bi ɛka wuram na yɛde hyɛ nkran ne sɛ without Christ life is meaningless. Without Christ life is meaningless. With God all things are possible. Na yenam sonso ene wabɔ awurade nyankopɔn empire ma awurade apie kwan de soa no ha bi da so bia na nwumra nso bɛtoa so all night de kɔ so ahwɛ me na awurade bɛfa so na ɔde ɔgye ne nkwagye abrɛ awurade hyira the lord the awurade nkyɛma mu nyinaa yɛfrɛ me adesi
Hello. 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 So, me feel something of vampire with you. Hello. I'm friend me as you. I'm something to you. If I try. No, no, Makuma Station, Makuma area.
radio ye ni papua for the radio mo wa obi etimi mo o ko se ko ba bia o sesi a wo Yesu Kristo temo ya
amen amen Papa
0200603602.
Hello. Me got you free kuma over here say. Me got you program na me pepa na me so shira mo fa. Let's ya kunya so I Ghana area be yenya didi na ya mom pa ye na ya me so let's serve and one my damasipa. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello, mommy. Would you be able to say hello? Hello. 02.
Hello.
Hello, Patrick.
I'm not going to Oh, but I'm seeing up as me. This is a bonfire, man. Hello. Hello. Actually, I can touch you more than you can really break. Hello. Good afternoon. I'm Kai of my family. I'm church partner.
Hello, Papa. Please go over.
Hello.
Program you credit we be a free no me sakusi no nine. Your tears are free. Open say your board man who they were. Now about show you Medina since the bad thing a cost. They think a trust.
Hello. Hello. Praise God.
Hallelujah. But you didn't be a cousin free.
I am taking Cousin Christopher. About program you come up. Yame enyam kese pa. Njiri program no ebe school ya sinina. Ama nipa nyina timi nyame nam so ba ji afoforo. Ama nipa nyina so abadi Kristo adi. Njiri se ba be pampa bo so ate iwia sinina nia abawi afi. Ba be pampa bo so enyi wia sinina. Nyame enka mo ho. Amen.
Hello. Hello. I'm Katafin and into the ball. Hello. Hello. My person. Hello. Doctor Nini Pabian Timiamwa. And then you may brow tea. Yasumanya Miasam. Psalm 107 verse 20. Was so Sumana some say. MSI are yes to demo. A radianuma samu to me. And so yes says here. And what than a twunta says say our yes to demo. Amen. Yeah, for number no friend. A channel friend here, yes, why? God bless you. Yeah, your Persia says, you may be say 1% to us. Moi, Moto, Bro, Hebas, and now will be able to take Marcus Biano. But I have a suit to me, a slave that eating to us. Hello. Hallelujah.
The former people the for the HIV. But the man I'm going to know, or not, catch your mother.
Why
What I say? Hello. But for the thing called positive of HIV, by the man and the for negative. The better bomb for him.
And yet, a radite, and yet, Radimama. Yadia, and near dry. And depend to me, son. A radia or your own to me, son. Your bow, what you already want. We are so demo. Yet, so much Japanibia. A few nippium. A radima for floor. Baby, oh, out here and caviar. A radifan and sun count. We are so demo. A radin for some pabo whistle. Now when you're dancing, I want to hear. Oh, yes, you demo. Amen. Hello.
Hello. Pastor, your friend became JMP. No, Marco Pentecost. Radio. Hello. Radio, me bo. Elder Bassonyame in Shram Power or GM Samson Horn. They are very. The Canadian say a rabbi uncle so and come on for jacket rama in Chiamano. Yamu can be a rabbi and I'm so a dear Jumas uncle. And he, the Canadian say Eda, the making shroud. Uncle Swana on Mawa for dear chance. So the Danny da Tribre Santia or do I Jumano, Yamenko Swan no more on count. Metia the same as Junior me Yenia Francis. And I didn't come home. I was used to Jimmy. Amen. That bless you. Me got your program. We will come over you at it. And I will say, maybe we're not 4 years in the vampire money. That's what I say. But that's from the banner 4 years in there. That's the show saying another money.
You oversee a stamp a radian yam on top of Franos. A radim would be in the Nimonyamu friend in Samda. Shabra Radiman Fris Robayano. A radim crumb. Oman Hobine. A radim Shanaso. How many years sending him there? Oh, yes, demo. Amen.
No.
I told you about your cousin.
That's all my cousin. Okay. There's a vampire money. Like, yeah, my worry is 10 years old. It's true. The idea of the I can really cover the brain. Let's say, maybe some of them. I am already on the e-test. I am coming over what the e-test. And so, the idea of let down, I'm not arguing with them.
Send a knockdown if you want more and one to cover them. A randi a vampire with yes, demo. Not that I can be a. I can't be a warrior. I can't be sick as I can't be more country. But I cannot country. Your boss through the Copa Empire. We are singing Iodia. So Radimaya to come my when some of the Hurona Yasre, the free one, as some give baby us. Yadavas, yes, with him. Amen. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Patrick Casaudi.
Patrick comes from the Casafi from Central Region. Patrick, so for many by not send on the whole family program, Patrick on Taiwan. Why?
A ruddy is swap. What do you say to the Papa Maswa? Yadia, I would put your money to call. A ruddy for two of Flabras. Baby, who will be or Central Region as well, already the You are God omnipresent and omnipotent. Ready for the sun count. Now you are the end friend, but we are so demo. Amen. Last call. When I come to you are God omnipresent and omnipotent. Hello.
Hello, Pacho Midiro. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, you're tuning into Kasa. Oh. Okay. And I'm saying, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Mami Kasa. Would you baby or Kasa? Your time now, Cynthia, and Tamai. Hello. Your young fancy.
The Lord, the Radin Chamamina, your friend at the Sears Donko, also on Pentecost, Kuada and Yumre, Nomi and Sakusino Namia, Shemi Okuma TV, the Radia Saman Kwa, and Yam day, and it has shown in Cranshum, Ebro.
Corona Jinaka Ghana, Coco last week, and a Corona Jinaka, knockdown, in Mr. Rade, a band of Boafo. Menso, your friend Elder Sears Donko. My telephone number here is 0247 81 24 28. 0247 81 24 28. See how many are close into your point between your friend here. Dinkomo. Bribia so problem be a bit in yache. If first aqua was so sre, ubia with you numaku, and then one a ton your markesia casia, Nikitu Akra, Pessia Bohon de Rumawa. Said a buyer program bit me at Twash, who could then be a free nomi and sa echoing on 9. Yes, there's a brand of suit media saying. If you say, ye no ye bar, ye Kenyan coupon adrening, ye Kenyan coupon to me, ye can't and quadji asem. Said a bay nippa be who said, Unyan coupon con, and there was a nippa ganatuano. Said a bay nippa binyan quadji amanekra. Yan Fabi bia, yan Fabi bia me huno, and yan metombi bia mount. Yedi unyankopon asem tumi ene ahoden ene nkwa ene hira ewom nyame asem na o sa no ha enhira wom enkwagye wom ayaresa wom fahudie wom asomdwe wom bibia nyame asem ene eda ho sa no ye ba ye kasa adwen na unyankopon tirim ne kyerɛw eti sɛ mo pɛsɛ sɛ adwumadi we to aso na worship namu na nyamsam namu na mpaebɔ namu wo de mpa ya ye boyi wo bo testimonies ye be pie free maba said no because a shall say in Jumanache, the whole new man ready to me. Last week, I come all night. A senior Shia, Obinian and Yefra. And oh, Jim said, you know Tamale. The near fro could acquire a quiz. I dear chain and Yefra. Oh, Mujinam, your bumpires are a deep bad 3 days, not running yet. Ah, did you meet me? And yet, and yan walk. So, and I yan sagari a man to my own. Nemo wedding yamiasem. Tia tunza fro biasa almost so yasne. Na on what you medino, na intimi and coso. Telephone number is 0247 81 2428. And that one obedi medio dimena Kumau TV. One a chinchim fidiano. A domina say. You know, say your presence here where you so around the first way. Or Akumapa, or your bumpire or Mububi, a Kenyam, some would yet. You know, say Ratima say program way and your call my brother Muta. Send it to you, and be so what you know. The Radensa in New Baby. I want him so young one when he. Me name so young one when he. Why are for Jeffo? Aho tuni mini soyawa mani oyare safo achefo aho tuni mire
the Sears Donko, also on Pentecost, Kuada and Yumre, no me ansa kusi no na bia hwɛ me okuma o TV de awurade asɛm nkwa ne ahoɔden ani da so ne nkranhye wo ɛbɛbrɛw mai ba ko hie ne so adu tɔre bi ɛka wuram na ɛde hye nkran ne sɛ without Christ life is meaningless. Without Christ life is meaningless. With God all things are possible. Na enam sonso ene wa bo awurade nyankopɔn ma empire ma awurade apie kwan this one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night. The Koswa Shemi, and rather be fire so, or do a gen and Quanjabro, already sure. The Lord, the Radin Chamamina, the friend of the Sears don't come, most on the Pentecost, Kuada and Numre, Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okumo TV, the Radia Saman Qua, and Yamote, and it has soning Cranshum, ever broke. Maybe I could see any sort of to be a cowroom near the Shin Crown said, without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Na enam sonso ene wa already yankopon empire me ready apie kwan. This one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night. The Koswa Shemi, and ready be fire so, or do a gen and Quanjabro. The Lord, the Radin Chamamina, the friend of the Sears don't come, most on the Pentecost, Kuada and Numre, Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okumo TV, the Radia Saman Qua, and Yamote, and it has soning Cranshum, ever broke. Maybe I could see any sort of to be a cowroom near the Shin Crown said, without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Na enam sonso ene wa already yankopon ma empire ma ready apie kwan. This one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night. The Koswa Shemi, and ready be fire so, or do a gen and Quanjabro, already sure. The Lord, the Radin Chamamina, the friend of the Sears don't come, most on the Pentecost, Kuada and Numre. Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okumo TV, the Radia Saman Qua, and Yamote, and it has soning Cranshum, ever broke. Maybe I could see any sort of to be a cowroom near the Shin Crown said, without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Na enam sonso ene wa already yankopon empire me ready apie kwan. This one will help you